And I beg not only the help to myself, but for those students who are they willing to perform, they have ability to perform in school, but they have no anyone to afford them or to pay school fees for them. So I need the Sunday Africa Foundation to help those students who have a dream and they have effort in studies, but they don't have any money to afford their education so as they can continue with studies. So I beg in Africa more and more to help those students.
Oh, I think that's a very wonderful idea. And I know that you are among the students who have attended the Leadership Academy or Leadership Camp here, as we have our program in Tanzania and Kenya.
Exactly.
What can you say about the Leadership Academy?
Or about Leadership Academy, I can tell you more and more. That leadership brought me in a good situation. And in fact, I was a leader leading a group of people. But from that leadership, I learned about leadership is not only leading a group of people, it's even to lead yourself and your family. And leadership, which I held at Kolindi Secondary School, I brought me many advantages as well as my fellow students at Lower Secondary. I think after leadership, I come back to school. I come back to home because we was in a holiday, and then to school. After getting to school, I start to speak to different groups, different students. I share that idea for them. Then I beg for my headmaster to have a chance to teach them. I taught almost 250 students about leadership. I prepare different pamphlets and different copies, and I distribute to them so that to study what I got in leadership. Not only students, I have 3 teachers. I told them about that leadership. And I showed them that certificate which I got at leadership. Everyone now is willing, or everyone is now know what is about leadership. Not only for leading a group of people, but also to lead yourself. I have a good example of students who I told them, and they know much about that leadership. A good example is Kelvin. Kelvin was my classmate, as well as was my bedmate. I told Kelvin from, I think, almost 2 months about leadership. I told you about those qualities of leadership, how to reach your dream, start kidogo kidogo, 30 steps. I told Kelvin, and now Kelvin is a good leader, a young leader.
Oh, wonderful.
So that leadership, I think that leadership was good for me. I don't know for other students.
I think it is a wonderful work you have done, Dipilali.
Yes.
And today during graduation, one of the awards you have received is about academic award. How did you manage to teach others about leadership and at the same time to receive the academic award certificate? Because you can see here there is academic award certificate. How were you able to do this, both of them at the same time?
I think this is an academic certificate that I got. As I told you, I was not performing well while I was Form 2, while I was Form 1.
Yeah.
But soon after reaching Form 2, I tried to put effort because Sunday Africa now helped me in studies. I kept my average high, and after the teachers calculate all of my average from Form 2, Form 3, Form 4, and divide by the total of the subject we studied, now that's why I was the first, and I got this award in academic certificate. So I feel well, and I try to manage and put more effort, especially in national exam, for us to pass well and to get another award.
Oh, thank you very much. How did you manage to teach others about leadership and at the same time to maintain yourself in
that is so simple in my way.
Yeah.
To teach other students about academic or leadership academy, I was using after preparation, means that after paper time, as well as after on Saturday and Sunday, weekends. I use those chance, maybe 2 periods, 3 periods, and 4 periods to teach them about academic leadership. Not only academic leadership, we have groups in our class. We are teaching each other, and I have my group teaching chemistry. So not only leadership, but also I have other things to teach them, and I try to manage my timetable so as I cannot distract it or break it so as to teach people. So I try to find the extra time.
That's wonderful. Lepelali, today, as it is your day, you have been graduating. Here, I have more than 4 certificates you have received today. One is about the academic certificate award from Secondary Loasa. The second one is Good Leadership Award. Good Leadership Award you have received today. And another one is about leadership in general. You have received it. And Asante Africa has awarded you with this Rising Star Award. What can you say about all the award you have received today, and more specifically about the Rising Star Award you have received from Asante Africa Foundation?
Okay, starting from this of leadership, I have been a leader since I was Form 1. I was a Prime Minister since I was Form 1. In spite the fact there are other students who can manage other people, who can be leaders like me, but I have been given a good post to be a Prime Minister since I was Form 1. That's why they give me this award for leadership. For this good leader means there is leader and a good leader.
Yeah.
For this to be a good leader, I try to use my chance to manage people. They were choosing me to manage them. I use all my effort, all my knowledge, and the different ways, and I asked God to teach me how to help those people and how to manage them. Always I participate in class. Always I participate in other issues concerning leadership. I didn't miss any period in class because I was a leader. I didn't also do wrong or do some illegal activity because I was a leader. I participate well in my studies as well as in my leadership. So that's why they awarded me this.
Okay, wonderful. How about this academic award?
For this academic, simply because I was performing well in my studies and my average is high, as well as it allowed me to get this. And about this of South Africa, Power of Me, a Rising Star Award. Okay, I can tell you about this because I don't know why they gave me this. They give me simply because they saw I was a good leader. Not only that, I was performing well, but I have no more to tell you about this because maybe you give me a lot of time to think why they give me this. Because we are many students in this foundation, and why me and not other students? So it is. I don't know how can I tell you about this one. But myself, I give thanks to God first for this award, because to be for many people, among the many people, and you yourself, you be assigned as a good leader or as one who perform well. It is by the power of God only, not the human being. So it is. Yeah, I need to say that thanks for South Africa for awarding me this power of me. Thanks very much, and I try to manage this post so as I can get another time.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Pelali. And I think we are proud that you have been doing well, and you promise us to do more better than whatever you have been doing. Maybe last question. What is your dream, future dream? What is your dream, future dream?
My future dream, I think, once I was invited to join with South Africa in an interview which was hired for me. I have been asked to tell about your dream, and my dream is to be a doctor, as I told South Africa, and I try to manage that post to be a doctor, because that is my dream since I was young. I didn't know any job. I only knew the doctor. So no any influence from outside. It is my inner expression to be a doctor.
But Lepelali, you look to be a good leader. When you become a doctor, how are you going to be a leader?
Because a leader is not only a one who carries a group of people managing community, if a leader, even if I was, I will be a doctor. I will be a leader because I know how to lead myself. I know to lead my family as well as my relatives. Not only that, a doctor can be also a leader of the nation, the country. But my dream is to be a doctor. Maybe later on, but I never change it. But I will stay as a leader.
Okay, I think Lepelali, I should, on behalf of Asante Africa and on behalf of everybody in your group, we are very happy to be with you, and we are very proud of you. And what we would like to is just to tell you that keep it up.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Even me myself, I pray to God for help us South Africa so as to extend to different countries, not only Tanzania today, to different countries, find those children who have effort in studies, but they have anyone to afford them to have that study. Not only that, I will in South Africa to help different leadership, even to follow students at school performing leadership, because me myself, once I have someone to support me in leadership, I could teach even other students in different schools, not only at the Wasa Secondary School. But I beg South Africa to extend, but the one who I beg the God to extend South Africa to different nations, not only Tanzania and Kenya, even Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Msumbiji, different countries. So that is my last word to the last about.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. We wish you very wonderful performance in your national examination which is coming.
Thank you.